Ready?
Yep.
All right.
It's going.
Devastating explosion in 3, 2, 1.
1.
1.
-1. -2.
1.
-3. And we're going.
Oh, we're running. We are running away.
Me too.
We are running away.
Very far away.
We are running away now. We're still running. I would continue running if I were you. I really hope it ignites. Yep, there it goes. For today's sponsor, Safety. Brought to you by Safety. It's what keeps America safe.
Yep.
Safety.
Except
Try
for
it
that.
Today.
Except for that there.
I mean, it wasn't wearing science
It wasn't
goggles.
wearing science goggles. This top of a toilet tank lid was not wearing anything.
Nah, naked. And
Completely
look what
naked.
happened.
Shattered into a million pieces.
So embarrassed.
All because of just a little bit of thermite.
It was so embarrassed that it wasn't wearing anything.
Yep.
That's what happens.
Just died. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Farewell.
Come on!
We're gonna put you in a bag now.
Yep, body
That bag, in fact. Along with the rest of your relatives. This guy
Pot?
and...
Yeah, we did some pot smoking today.
Alrighty.
It's a little windy, so this won't be perfect measurements, but it'll be close enough. Let's just do a little bit to test. 5.5, let's try and make it an even 6. 6.2, close enough to 6.
What will happen if we mix it up differently? Will it burn hotter, or will it just burn not as good?
Well, the reaction won't be quite as efficient. If we don't put enough iron in, it won't produce iron, and also won't produce oxygen because so I don't think it'll burn this hot if we don't put enough iron in.
It'll be fun.
Ooh, that's red. Alright, so 6.2, 18.6.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Mix that up. And it needs to be mixed very, 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 very well.
It won't blow up, right?
Nah, it won't blow up. It won't blow up, famous last words. Alright.
It's going now.
Yeah.
Is it burning?
Yeah, it is burning. Well, the thermite isn't yet. The sparkler is. There it is.
It must be out. Let's see, did it melt through the plate?
I think we need more.
I think you should put it directly on the plate.
Yeah.
Because we have this windbreak here. You want to try that?
Yeah.
If we do it quickly, it'll be fine.
This will be very bright.
Wow. Yeah, welding shield.
Yeah.
I don't think it melted through. Alright, this is test 2?
Birthday cake edition.
It's a little birthday cake.
There's no chance of blowing this out. There we go. Nope, oh, there it is.
That's pretty hot. It still mostly did not do much to
That is so hot, just instantly burns away. Very clean.
See, what I think I'm seeing here is that
It does look like
the
it dipped
steel
in a little
plate is dissipating a lot of the heat. So the answer is
more.
a lot more thermal.
I should put the scale in a bag. But I think it should be fine.
Try it with maybe 160.
Make sure to inhale deeply.
Well, you're downwind.
Aluminum dust. Don't breathe this.
Yum.
Nobody? Nobody.
I don't know what that is.
Aluminum smoke. Don't breathe this.
What's that from?
Blend Tech Total Blender. Will it blend?
Nope.
The golden era of YouTube before it was just watching other people play video games.
That's a lot. If this doesn't melt through it, it's gonna be sad.
Ready?
There we go. It's gonna go now.
Oh,
There we go.
oh.
That was more what we were
Something's on
looking
fire.
for.
That was a lot, though.
Yeah. Oh, we welded the pot on.
It looks like it mostly just burst on the top.
Huh.
Like blew up and stuck to the side.
This is like electroplating, but with fire. Pyroplating.
Alright, so here we are putting... We have the pot bottom piece, like a plate.
Yeah.
And then it's full of thermite under it. And then we have a whole bunch on top as well. And we're moving a little bit away. How many grams was this?
400.
400. Yeah, our last one was 200.
Oh, it's definitely got the stuff underneath.
Oh yeah.
I can see it. Oh, it is green.
Yeah.
No,
Hey,
that's,
try
that's
and
too
push.
much just for paint.
Oh yeah.
It would have burned away. That's pretty hot.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, the metal.
Wow.
Too bad we don't have like a hammer. I'm gonna flip it over.
Even the ceramic is hot enough to light it. That's ridiculous.
Wood just
That-
spontaneously combusts.
I wanna
Oh,
see
if only
what's
we'd remember.
inside.
We should have brought some eggs. Just crack an egg on there and cook it.
It would like instantly cook.
Yeah.
Just boom on fire.
Look at that.
all of that. I think if we would have just put it all on top, it would have been better.
Oh wait, that's with the plate off?
Yeah, look how thick that is.
Wow. It's like a sponge.
Yeah. We have that tile, and we have the toilet lid, tank lid, and some rocks.
I do still kind of want to fill that toilet tank lid.
Alright. Let's do that then.
It's like weighty air. There's no texture to it. It's just really heavy.
Alrighty, so what we're gonna be doing is cooking
It's a
this
little-
burrito that
it's a
Seth
little-
left.
It's a little undercooked.
It's too cold. I tasted it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna stick a bit of thermite in it and warm it up.
All right, spicy burrito.
I'm going to move your bag up.
Oh yeah, you're the smart one. Oh. I have gloves, so. Wow, that's taking quite a while to stop. Oh, that's the sound of the burrito cooking. Wow!
You think it's warm enough?
It made
now?
a perfect lump of iron.
Oh, that's sweet.
That is perfect.
Can I take it home?
Yeah. I mean, I could.
That is so warm. Oh, you know those things where you get like Orbeez and you pour molten metal in it?
Oh yeah. Oh,
Or grapes.
Oh.
People.
Wow.
It's a little burnt. Just
Yeah.
a bit.
Turns out burritos make really good molds for casting iron.
Here's our nice little nugget of metal.
Oh, it still smells bad over here.
This is the nugget that was in the.
This is an unused sparkler we can use.
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful? Look at that.
Yeah, just look at that.
Just look at that.
I hate it when people do that. We're going to make the almost works symbol thing. Logo. That thing. So we just drew a big A and W for almost works,
It's all
and
shadow.
it looks pretty bad.
That's
and
pretty
awful.
great.
It
such a
looks
pessimist.
wonderful.
Such a pessimist, you pessimist.
See that wonderful A and W? Not A and W root beer.
This is gonna go really quick. Really quick, really quick.
Oh my goodness, that's bright.
Oh wow.
It looks so cool though.
Yeah. Now let's let it cool naturally.
It kind of sprays stuff all over, so if we had like a stencil and left it on there, it would be fine. Alright, we're gonna fill up, there's some holes in this toilet lid there that you can see, and we're gonna fill that up with thermite and light it on fire and make it explode.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna fill this up with water. Hopefully it'll make a steam explosion and blow stuff up.
It is filled as much as we could get. We have a bag with probably around 100, maybe 150 grams still in there. We lined the edges. Now we're just gonna dump water.
We want a steam explosion.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
All right.
It's going.
Devastating explosion in 3, 2, 1.
1.
1.
-1. -2.
1.
-3. And we're going.
Oh, we're running. We are running away.
Me too.
We are running away.
Very far away.
We are running away now. We're still running. I would continue running if I were you. I really hope it ignites. Yep, there it goes. Still running. I'm so... Oh, it's still going inside, I think. I think it did get the inside. It broke the lid completely.
Oh my goodness.
It went in the inside a lot. The water is not gone, surprisingly.
It's
It's still continuing to break the lid.
So like it's shattered and
It's
tons
still
of
breaking
spots.
the lid.
And it's still crackling and popping.